Today we are talking about what versus how, specifically desired state thinking in Terraform. Most Terraform mistakes are not syntax problems, they are thinking problems, and almost all of them come from confusing what with how. In traditional scripting, you focus on the how. Do this first, then do that, then attach this. Order matters. Execution is sequential. Terraform works differently. You describe what should exist, not how to create it. The end result matters. The steps do not. Desired state means the final outcome, what your infrastructure should look like, networks, compute, security rules, and the relationships between them. Imagine you want a virtual machine, a network, and a firewall rule. In an imperative world, you create the network, then the firewall, then the virtual machine. Everything is manual. In Terraform, you do not give steps. You say, I want a network. I want a firewall rule. I want a virtual machine. And this virtual machine depends on the network and firewall. You never say first. You never say then. You never say wait. You never manage execution order. Terraform reads your entire configuration. It builds a dependency graph, determines the correct order, and runs tasks in parallel when possible. Terraform does not read files line by line. It evaluates everything together. Resource position does not matter. Relationships define order. Terraform is not a script runner. Terraform is a planner. You write a specification. Terraform calculates the path. The plan phase compares current reality to desired state and shows what must change. This only works because you describe the what, not the how. When beginners struggle, it is usually because they treat Terraform like a shell script. They fight the dependency graph and create fragile infrastructure. You describe what should exist. Terraform describes how to make it so. This is desired state thinking. Everything else builds on this.